I'm back again with this, a Camel trophy watch. I personally have never heard of one of these watches before up until recently. This watch was designed to promote the Camel trophy adventure. It started in the 80s and ended in the early 2000s. It was sponsored by Camel, the cigarette company, to promote, I believe, their branding, and it eventually morphed into Land Rover becoming one of their main sponsors. The most significant of which was their bright yellow Land Rover that used to go to some of the most hostile terrained places in the world. They did races in Madagascar, they did races in Southern America, in the Amazon. Some of the things I like about this watch, one of them is the actual Camel trophy buckle that you can see there on the strap. I think it's a great touch. It's fantastic. It's durable. It's rugged. I mean, some of the crews actually wore watches, I think, in the early 90s as part of their advertising to promote the watch. So they're built to last. They've got a depth of 100 meters. They are pretty rough, pretty rugged. As you can see, this one has been well loved and worn a lot by the previous owner. I picked this up and I looked at it. I saw past all the scratches and everything, and it just caught my eye. I wear it all the time. You can wear it out. You don't worry about getting it wet. It's got a stainless steel case, so it's built to last. Basically, this has stood quite well for the test of time. I think we'd all agree on that one. It's got a time bezel, so you've got your main kind of like 15-minute intervals, and then you've got smaller 5-minute intervals in between. You can turn it clockwise, counterclockwise. The movement for this watch, I believe, is a Swiss movement, as it says it on the number 6 at the bottom of the watch face. But some of these movements were Japanese quartz movements. Some of them were Swiss quartz movements. If it's a Swiss one, potentially it could be a Ronda, but I can't guarantee that for sure without taking apart the watch and judging by its age. And I'm not a horologist by any stretch of the imagination. I'm not going to take this watch apart and check. Hope you enjoyed that video, and more videos in the future.